Hello families, you're welcome to another video of Make Money Online. In this video, I'll be showing you websites where you can meet rich people. They ask you questions, you get their answers, you get their problems solved, and then you get paid. So this is the video today. Do well to watch till the end. Reason I always say watch till the end is to avoid unnecessary questions. I wouldn't want you to be asking me questions that I've already answered in this video. Okay, most of you will watch the beginning, skip, then go and start doing things that you were not asked to do, or because you were unable to gather full information about that video. You will just watch the beginning, skip, then watch till the end, and then what you skip is even the most important part about that video. So please do well to watch to the end. So the first website is Zintro.com, the leading market research expert network. Get your question answered or get paid to answer questions for others. Okay, so that is what they do here. Now their specialty here, you can decide to be an expert. You can, if you are an expert in social media, sales and marketing, product design, business technology, skills and management, industries, health, and all of that, you can actually sign up here, and it is worldwide. They are accepting worldwide. If you are an expert in business startup, skills and management industries, I think this place is really good for you. Okay, this place you're going to get hired. All you need is to sign up, fill in the necessary details they ask from you, and then as you answer questions, you get paid. Okay, so you just click on become an expert, right? So once you click on become an expert, then you have to wait for it to load. Now apply to become an expert, right? So this is their frequently asked question. You can go through it to really know more about the platform. Okay, so you come right here and click on apply. Okay, click on apply, and then it take you to this place. You have to fill in your email, your password, confirm your password, and then next step. Okay, so the sign up process is very easy, so you can try that and see if you are hired. So the next website on our list is clarity.fm. So in this particular website, if you are good on business, marketing and sales, funding, product design, technology, and all of that, then this place is actually for you. Even health. Okay, now let's click order to see what more they have here. Now as you can see, this person is on dating advice. Okay, dating advice, and he's charging $83 per minute. Okay, $83 per minute, and as you can see, he has 329 reviews with 5-star rating. That shows this person is good. This person also is an expert in business. Okay, he set his profile to be a business expert. Okay, startup. So this one now is interview preparation. Probably you are preparing for a particular interview and you are scared, so you need a preparation. You need a coach to prepare your mind, prepare you on what is possibly going to be asked in the interview. You can request a call, as you can see, and it's $5 per minute. Okay, you can request a call. Now this person, this is what he does here. He has 104 review and 5-star rating. Okay, and he charges $5 per minute. That is incredible. So it is very easy for you to get started here. I'll tell you, I have a profile here. Okay, I registered here yesterday so that I can bring the review to you today. Okay, so I registered of recent and my profile was accepted. So you click on clarity.fm and it will show you. Then you click on become an expert. Okay, so immediately you click become an expert, then they'll start asking you to fill in your profile, which is the basic information. Your email, your password is worldwide. Okay, they accept worldwide. They accept experts from all over the world. I'm a Nigerian and I have a profile here, so that shows it's not limited, okay, to Nigerians. So Nigerians are definitely accepted here. Okay, so you set your profile, tell them what you are good in and all of that. Okay, so if there is any difficulty when you are setting up your profile, you can reach out to me. Okay, but first make sure you watch the video till the end before you reach out to me, else I'm not going to answer you. Okay, so and if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and thumbs up and leave your wonderful comments for me in the comment section. So now this is what you're going to do. Immediately you set your profile very well. Okay, this person now is charging $10. Okay, $10 per minute. Okay, so that is, we have tons of them here. Okay, so now this is what he offers. He's a sales and marketing expert, public relation. So immediately you set your profile, the moderators are going to review your profile. If your profile aligns with what you say and your profile is clear enough, they are going to accept your profile. So now this is my dashboard. So like I said, I'm still very new here. I'm still very young here. Okay, they accepted my profile. I'm not up to 6 hours. Yes, not up to 6 hours. They accepted my profile here because it's from the time your profile is accepted. You start counting when you join the platform, not when you register. From the time that your profile is accepted, and it's just 6 hours that they accepted my profile. So I'm still very new here. Okay, so that's about the amazing thing is that they have accepted my profile. I set my profile to be health and wellness expert. So as you can see, my location, Nigeria, okay? So my location is Nigeria, which I focus on mental health, nutrition, okay? So that is how it is. If you're watching me right now and you have difficulty about health, wellness, or nutrition, mental health, so just find your way here and request for a call with me, okay? So that is how it is. As you can see, people are already viewing my profile, okay? As people view your profile, then you have higher chances of people they are going to reach out to you. Okay, now after you have already set your profile, now if you can see my rate, I set my rate to be $1 per minute. And somebody will ask me now that, coach, when somebody is already setting their profile to be $10 per minute, $50 per minute, $83 per minute, why are you setting yours to be $1 per minute? Don't you like money? Don't you want to make money? Now this is where the trick comes. I'm not greedy. Okay, I'm not greedy. I'm going to make money here, but it's going to be slow and steady. Okay, if you are new here and you jump to set your profile to be $50 per minute, even though you are an expert, they are not going to come for you. Reason because there are other experts that are charging $10 per minute, and they've been long in this platform, okay, and they have a whole lot of review. So you that is just coming in, you are setting your profile to be 50, to be 10. So it's kind of ridiculous, right? It's ridiculous when I see people that are charging $10, $5 per minute, and they have like hundreds of review, thousands of review, and you that is just coming in that don't even have one review, you are setting your rate equal to these people. People are not going to come for you, okay? So that is why I cut my quote according to my size, and I choose $1 per minute because my profile is still very, very young, okay? Now, this is what you do. After creating your profile, don't just go and sit down, fold your arms, waiting for a miracle to happen. There is a next option for you to do. Now, this is what you're going to do. After your profile is accepted, they're going to email you telling you congratulations, you've been accepted in clarity.fm website as an expert. Now, the next thing for you to do is to come to this place, okay? Come to the menu icon and click on answer. Sorry, guys. And click on answer. So immediately you click on answer, now you will see questions that people are answering. This is where the amazing magic comes, okay? So as you can see, right? As you can see, these are questions that people have asked already. So if there is anyone you can answer here, you check the one you can handle here, okay? I'm confused. Now let's look at this. Let's look at this particular question. He said, I'm confused. Can anyone show me the part of present and future earnings? So if you are good, maybe probably you are based on finance. Now, the reason this question is coming, remember, I'm a health and wellness expert, but question about money, about finance is coming. Now, how come? It is because when I set my profile to be a health and wellness expert, and also the subcategory, I set it to be business expert, okay, which is under finance, right? So, but I will advise you set your profile to just niche down. Make sure you niche down, okay? Just set one expertise, area of expertise. Don't do like me, okay? Because I've actually made more research, and I've come to realize that those that niche down have higher chances, especially for the fact that you are new. As time goes on, you can add more area of expertise to your profile. But for the fact that you are young, niche down, okay? Niche down. And this place will really, really, really favor people that are into business, that are into, in fact, all area of expertise favors anybody, okay? But the majority is business, money making, and all of that, okay? So if you are health expert, it doesn't show you're not going to make money here. No. Okay, don't get me wrong, okay? So that is it. Just make sure that you set your profile based on what you can do, okay? And you will see people, they will come for you. So now, this person said he's confused. That can somebody show him the part, and the part of present and future earnings? Now, what you will do, since you have been hired here, you've been accepted, your profile have been accepted, what you do is you click on the question. You will see people that have answered this question. Now, as you can see, look at this person, Sufia. Sophia Kramer, okay, business strategy, finance, and leadership coach. So you see high calibers of people that are good in what they do. Please, I beg you, don't join this platform if you are not good in your area of expertise. Please don't join. I repeat, please don't join. Okay, you can see people here, whites, okay, people from Canada, Australia, Bangladesh, Zimbabwe, UK, in fact, name it, Singapore, they are here. Okay, you are going to compete with these people, right? Because setting your own profile is also a competition, right? Set your profile very well. Take time to set, don't rush it, right? So please, so that is, as you can see, this is Samuel Ayinde. Okay, I think this person is a Nigerian. Once you click on answer, then you start giving your detailed answer. Okay. So those of you that is going to use ChatGPT as your means of answering question here, if you're in my WhatsApp group, I've already teach you how to use ChatGPT to answer question, and it will look like AI generated answer, right? If you're in my WhatsApp community, I've already, so there's no need for me to pound down on it much. Okay. So make sure that if you are using, make sure you use your own sense to answer this question. Okay, if you're going to use ChatGPT, be careful, because anything AI generated is not accepted yet, so it must be humanized. Okay, your question, your answers must be humanized. It must be written as a human. Okay, you're not a robot, right? So that settles it. If you're not in my WhatsApp group, well, I don't know for you, or you can join my WhatsApp group and ask people there, and they are going to tell you how to humanize a particular AI generated content, so that the person can accept it or the platform can accept it. So moving on, we don't need to waste time on that part. So you're going to give your answers here. Okay, so you give your answer, give your answer, give your answer, give your answer. Once that is done, right, you click on submit. You click submit answer. Now, what you've just done now, you've actually advertised yourself. Answer many questions as you can, rightly. Okay, so as you answer the question, the system is going to notify the person that asked the question that somebody like this has given an answer to your question. If what you answer is good, is detail oriented, it actually solves this person's problem. The person will now request a call with you, a video call or a text chat, or a normal call with you. Okay, then you will now get paid. That is how it's being done here. So please watch this video step by step and follow every process I've asked you. Don't go and do something else and come back asking me questions, please. If you have watched this video to this point and you have not liked, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like button, comment below, okay, what you feel, and give me accolades, right, for bringing this authentic, wonderful platform to you. Okay, appreciate my effort, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Okay, all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting our YouTube channel. That is what I have for you today. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Do well to like and subscribe, and leave your comments down for me in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.